there! I'm Mrs. Millie and this is Plum.
Hello!
Welcome to Kids Cooking School. We are so glad that you are here.
Yeah! Mrs. Millie, I have a joke for you.
Ooh, I love jokes.
What does an egg do when it hears a joke?
What?
It cracks up!
That's a good one. Speaking of eggs, we're going to be making scrambled eggs today.
Ooh! That means we get to use the stove!
We do get to use the stove, so make sure that you have a grown-up with you to help you out for this one.
Being safe is the most important thing!
Now let's begin.
Mrs. Millie, what do we need to make scrambled eggs?
We need eggs, of course. How many you use is up to you, but today we're going to use 2. We need a spatula, a pan, some butter, a bowl, and a fork.
Do we crack the eggs first?
Not yet. With eggs, the first thing you want to do is you want to put your pan on the stove and turn it on because we want our pan to be nice and hot.
But how do you know if it's hot enough?
You put just a little bit of butter on your pan, and then when it starts to bubble, then you know it's ready to put your eggs on.
I love bubbles!
Me too. Bubbles are so fun.
Do we crack the eggs now?
Yes, while we're waiting for the pan to warm up, this is a great time to crack the eggs and mix them up. So what we're going to do, there are a couple different ways that you can crack an egg. You can crack an egg on a flat surface like this, or on a corner, like maybe a bowl or the corner of a counter or a table. So I personally like to do it flat because I feel like it gets a better crack. So you're going to do a little tap and then kind of a big tap. So you tap, tap. Did you hear that crack? Now there's an indent right here. You're going to carefully put your thumbs in gently. You don't want to go too hard because then it'll explode on you. Then you carefully pull it apart and drop the egg in. And you kind of put the shells together and then we'll do it again. You tap, tap. That one wasn't hard enough. I'll try again. Tap, tap. There we go. And then you gently pull it apart. And now you got that. And now we wash our hands.
How do we scramble?
Well, scrambling basically means mixed up. So we take our fork, and what we're going to do is we're going to just mix it up. We're going to mix up the yellow yolk and the egg whites. Plum, do you want to mix it up for us?
Yes, please.
All right, let's do it together.
Mix, mix, mix. Whoa, that's so yellow.
And you want to mix it up as fast as you can without making too much of a mess.
Okay. This feels weird.
And you want to keep going until you don't see any more of the separation of the egg whites and the egg yolks. It all wants to look yellow.
Is it good?
Yep, I think it's good. Salt and pepper, you can do that too. And if you're going to have toast, now is a good time to do that.
Bubbling! The butter's bubbling!
It's bubbling. It sounds like it's a good time to put our eggs in.
I love bubbles!
Perfect. Now we want to pour the eggs into the pan. We want to hear that nice sizzle.
I hear the sizzle! It sounds like a bunch of snakes!
It does sound like a bunch of snakes. Then while it's cooking, you just mix it up.
Yum! Can I eat this when it's done?
Of course you can.
Mm-mm.
And you want to keep going until there's no more gooey parts.
I like gooey things, but in this case, not.
Well, you don't want to eat raw eggs.
Yeah.
Okay, now we turn off the stove. Remember safety. And then we put it on our plate.
Yum! Do you want to eat some eggs, kids? It's really delicious. Mm-mm-mm. You should try making some with a grown-up. I'm gonna let it cool down first.
Yes, you can. It might be a little hot at first though, so you might want to wait just a couple minutes.
Is it done now?
I think it's ready.
That was delicious. Excuse me.
You're excused.
Thanks for joining us.
Remember, the more you practice, the better you will get.
And it's okay to make mistakes. Just try to do a little better next time.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you push the like button and subscribe to see all our future videos.
It's the big red rectangle.
And if you make any of our creations, have your parents tag us on Instagram at Kids Cooking School.
We would love to see what you be making.
Now go make something tasty.